Okay, so we need another, it's called general conditions, but really it's kind of like overhead expenses like project managers and insurance and all that other stuff. And it's going to change with every single company. So I've kind of just tried to show you what needs to happen, and then you can kind of do what you think is right. But see how this changes. I guess this is a state or whatever. When they click on general conditions, I need something, and I've started it down here at the bottom of this page. But this is kind of what they need because every single company is changing. This is, if you have a better idea, I'm definitely all ears. I've wasted a lot of time reading up on this and trying to figure it out. I mean, essentially, you just need an Excel spreadsheet. But let's just say, I don't know, whatever you have, expenses for construction costs. I don't know, something. They just need to put a number in here for that. 15,000 bucks or something. Okay. And then what happens is I need this total cost to sum total these items right here. I have no idea how I did this. I'll send you the link to what this guy did. But essentially, if you read through this, this is how he added rows on. And I don't even know if it makes any sense. I'm totally lost at how it works. It just works. And then what I did was data, and I created this thing called a row. And then I don't even know if this makes sense at all, but at least you understand the functionality of it. So when, let's just say they fill up all these rows and they need to add another row, there you go. Now they added one. I also need a button that says delete, and then they can go back up the rows. But essentially what needs to happen is this piece needs to actually go right here. Excuse me. It needs to go right in here. So you need your total. Well, the total will be down there, but it needs to add the total project cost. We have to have, however this is summed up, plus the general conditions. So when they click general conditions, this little thing right here will pop up right here, and it'll just be like all these other divisions that flip through. But the general conditions Excel chart will go right there. If you have another idea on how we can do this and add rows and delete them and just make it work, feel free. I mean, I've spent enough time trying to research this, and that seems like the way to do it, but I have no idea. So let me know. Thank you.